Hello guys, welcome to Galle. We're just moved into our new apartment, the apartment for 2 weeks from now on. And you can hear the kids are pretty happy playing, but they're playing everywhere. Yeah, I want to show you our apartment. We walked up here from the bus station, which is right next to the railway station. It was actually a 2-kilometer walk, which is okay, you know, of course with all the luggage, but we don't even fit into a rickshaw. And yeah, so we figured no problem. Anyway, let me show you. Let me go for the house tour. All right. So this is where we get in, and this is the baby. Hello, baby. Hey. And these are the other ones. The Olive baby and Vincent baby. Hey, do you want to say hello? Hello. Hello, and you have hello, huh? So, of course, we moved in, and it was just already big mess. Anyway, so it's like the living room here, or did they call it sitting room, whatever. We have sofas here. This is my stuff, and also against the mosquito. There's the Buddha, of course. There's a Buddha, and a Sri Lankan painting. And here is a TV. I have not checked it, but apparently has a local TV channel, so it will not be groundbreaking, I suppose, right? It's my computer. I will be working here. This is my toiletry bed. Hey, I'm trying to make a video here. So nice part of it. All right, so it's 1 bedroom, and he has an AC, which of course now I was just sweating because let me explain why I'm so sweating. I went to get groceries, and there's a food store. No, what's it called? Foodland. Corrigal's Foodland, about 500 meters from here, but I have to walk down. Here's my balcony here. Let me show you. We have all the time in the world, right? So this is actually quite a view, only to be beaten by, I'll show you later, further up there. There's a school. I don't know the name of the school yet, but see the students all in white. Yeah, check it out. So it's quite a nice little balcony. We've got several balconies. The lookout is very nice. I do appreciate that. Let's go back. Close the door because the AC is on. I just wanted to check it, and actually it's quite cool in here. It's a queen bed. How do I close this? Wrong side? Yeah. Something like that. Anyway, it's quite. You're gonna hang your clothes here. We have not even unpacked yet. But these guys are, see, it's my backpack there, my guitar. We got a welcoming coffee and welcoming lime juice from the owner. Very friendly guy, actually. Very, very friendly. What's his name? Lakshman. Very nice. Anyway, see, this is another balcony that belongs. This is probably where we'll be eating if it's not raining. But now the sun is out, but it's still rainy season, right? So you never know. So there's the original house there. This has been here about 4 years, apparently. Now let me show you the kitchen. With all the groceries out, of course. I bought what I could buy, you know. Some noodles, some chips, some eggs, some prawn soya, deviled, some rice, some pasta, all kinds of things, but I'm not showing anything, not all of it. So the kitchen is also nice. You have 4 burners, gas stove. We have a microwave. There's a rice cooker coming. He'll bring the rice cooker in a bit. Then I bought this for the water. There's the water bottle. This thing here. So I put this in here so it can cool down. Got some mango syrup, some jam, margarine, brown sugar, instant noodles, lots of chocolates, some eggs, baby food. We finally are able to get it. We were not able to get it in Hikkaduwa, but Hikkaduwa is, there's my wife. Hikkaduwa kind of like, in some ways it sucks, right? Hikkaduwa. If it comes to baby food, you know what I found? I found this.
Ah, great.
Yeah. So we got more beef. I took 2 of them. And yeah, well, there's some forks, some spoons, some plates, some knives. Oops. There's a coconut knife, I suppose. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't really looked at that. Some glasses here, and there's some. Lots of glasses, actually. We got plenty of glasses. We got whatever this is. I don't even know. What is this? So a pot. If you cook something, you can serve it, right?
I got this one.
Ah.
Much better.
All right. Very nice. Oh, there's some salt. I just bought some salt. You know, sometimes they don't. Airbnb don't have a condiment, but here they do have a little bit. Oh, there's some animals up there. Some insects. Don't like those so much, but it's okay. Anyway, so yeah, we've been here already. Well, then we have the bathroom is here. This is it. It's not too bright, but it's okay. It's a quite modern, quite new toilet hose. Oh, it's a strong toilet hose. It's always always important. Oh, check it out, I'm sweating like a pig. That's what we have mirrors in here so they can tell us how much we sweat. Yeah, no, the toilet hose is like, you know, use that instead of what they do backwards in Europe or in America. Use toilet paper. Here, use water, of course, which is, you know, a lot cleaner. But I don't want to get into details, right? Yeah, shower. We got a hot shower boiler here, whatever. Should be working. We got a new, nice shower head. Nice noodle shower head. I stole the whole subject thing from someone else, you know. Anyway, so it'll work. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't turned it on yet. Oh, later. Anyway, so then there's a second bedroom, which already does not look that great anymore. See, my wife making things with my kids. Well, we traveled with this on the bus, so it's all screwed up in this one. But you know, my wife makes these things in no time. Also, we have a AC here, which I can tell you this room here is quite quite cool. You know, another mirror. And see, guys, if you don't have to ask questions anymore, I'm using this camera as a Sony FDR X3000, right? So because some people think I have a oh, there's the dude at the rice cooker. Let me show you. The owner, Lakshman, is here.
Wow.
Cool.
Shopping.
I did. I went to shopping, but it's okay.
Come, let me see.
I'm filming your apartment. I'm showing the world your apartment.
Sorry?
I'm showing the world your apartment. It's
yeah.
YouTube. This is the boss here, Lakshman, Mr. Lakshman, right? Yeah, it's a very nice apartment. I didn't show you the fridge actually. See, it's a pretty good fridge, pretty big one, and the cool one. That is the most important thing, right? Okay, we got a rice cooker. Very nice. See, we have 3 kinds of trash cans here. So we put.
Understood.
I did understand. This is for the plastic, and you know, like, and then there's food items, fruits, whatever, compost, and then the paper. So they're doing a good job here in Sri Lanka. They're already saving the environment. Very good.
No, Sunday, not collect. Lorry come in, but not collect. All in one. Separate, it's okay.
Sometimes they put it all together.
Yes. Sorry. Sorry.
Alrighty. I'm going upstairs. I'll show you guys upstairs. There's a washing machine downstairs, he explained to me. Well, anyway, see? That's a nice place. I really do appreciate this place. There's some water tank for emergencies, probably. There's the AC outlet. I see there's a shortcut. You can also leave the premises from there. And there's the main entrance. You gonna catch him? Be careful. Alrighty. Anyway, so this is actually, I like this part the best. It's a fruit tree here. Forget what they're called. They're in the family of, see, this is our, you can hear my kids. And yeah, so this is the rooftop terrace, which I do like. And these are guy couldn't tell me what they're called, but they're all related to the wood apple. But anyway, check it out. So we got a table here. So you could have theoretically a nice tea or beer here if you want. And then look out to the beautiful surroundings. It's quite a view, huh? Wouldn't you say? And there's another tank here. Wow, what a place. And I did see some monkeys earlier, but I don't know. Huh? Check out. And of course there's coconut trees everywhere. And the last place we stayed, we got coconuts all the time to drink coconut and mangoes. And so Sri Lanka has been very good to us so far. I mean, yeah, the stunt they pulled with extending the visa, $500, $100 each. So that was not so. We're not so happy about that, particularly since we're now found out that for when you come now, you can have for $35 you can have a 6 months visa. Yeah, cost us $500, dude. But otherwise, other than that, other than the government maybe, well, which changed now apparently because they want tourists to come. Yeah. So if you see this, come to Sri Lanka for 6 months. You only pay, and it'll only cost you $35. And by the way, this house here, what is that? $15 a night? It's not very expensive. I'm not sure. Well, I think I'll leave you a link about. Otherwise, you'll find this on Airbnb. Yeah, you'll recognize. Well, I might put a link under below, huh? And what's that? Here's an awesome site. There's no more monkeys now. Nope, they're all gone. Well, anyway, guys, there's another plant here. I like the little details. I like the Coca-Cola glass here. I like these little details where you can see that nature in the tropical countries are a lot more advanced, right? I like the nature in these countries. Anyway, guys, you can also sit here on these thingies. You can eat fruit. I'm not sure you can eat them actually. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. Yep. Our new home for the next 2 weeks. And yeah, we could still extend. Well, actually we cannot extend. After 3 months we'll have to fly back to Malaysia because we had to have a flight. And everybody said you need a flight out. And we could have extended for 6 months. Well, probably now be free, right? But yeah, so we would have stayed here a month maybe, stay a couple of places longer if you find a good place. And that's always you can stay longer, right? Anyway, guys, yeah, take good care. See you in my next video, okay, guys? Bye. Hey guys, you wanna say bye? Bye. You're playing? Alrighty. Bye.